Hello and welcome to Verdictum. I am Ananya Singh and you're watching today's legal news, where we update you with the recent important legal developments across the nation. Here are the headlines. Supreme Court takes suo moto cognizance of tribal women molested and paraded naked in Manipur. Supreme Court to hear on Friday Senthil Balaji's plea in the money laundering case. Wrestlers move Delhi High Court in opposition of direct entry to Bajrang, Punia and Vinesh Phogat to Asian Games. Persons suffering from HIV cannot be denied employment or promotion, holds Allahabad High Court. 4 high courts get new chief justices. 1 week interim bail granted to wrestler Sushil Kumar on medical grounds. Now let's take a detailed look at the headlines. The Supreme Court today took suo moto cognizance of an incident where 2 tribal women were molested and paraded naked in Manipur after a video surfaced online yesterday. The Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud said that it was the grossest of constitutional abuse to use women as an instrument in an area of communal strife. The CJI further remarked, "We are deeply disturbed by the videos which have emerged. If the government does not act, we will." The matter was taken up by a bench of the CJI along with Justices P.S. Narasimha and Manoj Mishra, who sought the response of the centre and the state government on steps taken by them against the perpetrators. Solicitor General Tushar Mehta appeared for the centre and condemned the incident. The matter has been listed for July 28th for further hearing. A bench of the Supreme Court comprising the CJI D.Y. Chandrachud and Justices P.S. Narasimha and Manoj Mishra agreed to list the plea filed by Tamil Nadu Minister V. Senthil Balaji and his wife Meghala against the order passed by the Madras High Court on July 14th, upholding the arrest of Balaji by the Enforcement Directorate in a money laundering case. Balaji and his wife were represented by senior advocate Kapil Sibal, who urged the court to hear the matter urgently, while stating that the issue would become infructuous otherwise. Balaji's arrest has been a point of contention for long, as the division bench of the Madras High Court had delivered a split verdict in the case previously, and a third judge was then engaged by the Chief Justice of the High Court to hear the habeas corpus petition against Balaji's arrest by the ED. Justice C.V. Karthikeyan, the third judge, held that the accused did not have a right to frustrate the investigation and directed the matter be placed before the same division bench to determine the date on which ED could take Balaji into custody. Wrestlers Sujit Kalkal and Antim Panghal moved the Delhi High Court, challenging the direct entry of wrestlers Bajrang Punia and Vinesh Phogat to the Asian Games, scheduled to take place this year between September 23rd to October 8th in China. Punia and Phogat's entry was challenged as they did not take part in the trials for the Asian Games and were given a special exemption. Justice Subramaniam Prasad directed the Wrestling Federation of India to file its response today as to the ground of exemption granted to the wrestlers, so the matter can be heard tomorrow by the court. The Lucknow Bench of the Allahabad High Court held that a person who is suffering from HIV but is otherwise fit cannot be denied employment or promotion. The bench, comprising Justices D.K. Upadhyay and Om Prakash Shukla, said that a person's HIV status cannot be a ground for denial of promotion and employment, as it would be discriminatory and violative of right to equality, right of non-discrimination in state employment, and right to life and personal liberty that are provided as fundamental rights by the Constitution of India. The court made the observation on a plea filed by a CRPF constable challenging a single-judge order dated May 24th that rejected his appeal against the order of his employer, who denied him a promotion as he tested HIV positive. 4 judges were elevated as Chief Justices of 4 high courts across the nation. The Union Law Minister Arjun Ram Meghwal made the announcement about the appointment of Justice Alok Aradhe of the Karnataka High Court as the Chief Justice of the Telangana High Court. Justice Sunita Agarwal of the Allahabad High Court was appointed the Chief Justice of the Gujarat High Court. Justice Ashish Desai of the Gujarat High Court was elevated as the Chief Justice of the Kerala High Court, while Justice Subhashis Talapatra of the Orissa High Court will be the Chief Justice of the same High Court after the retirement of the incumbent Chief Justice S. Muralidhar on August 7th this year. A Sessions Court in Delhi has granted 1 week's interim bail to wrestler Sushil Kumar on medical grounds, as he needed a knee surgery. Kumar is facing trial for the murder of a junior national wrestling champion, Sagar Dhankar, along with others accused in the case. The offence is alleged to have been committed 2 years ago, and Kumar has been in judicial custody since June 2, 2021. Additional Sessions Judge Sushil Kumar of the Rohini District Court looked into the matter and granted bail to the wrestler for 7 days for the ACL surgery to be done for his knee. That was all on today's legal news. Thank you and keep watching Verdictum. And subscribe to our channel and download the Verdictum app on iOS and Android to keep yourself updated with authentic legal news.